In this video, I am going to show you how you can use brand voice in Jasper to make your content and copywriting better. If you haven't set up your brand voice and need help with that, check out our previous video where we show you how you can set up your brand voice. Jasper Brand Voice will keep your content structured and sounding just like you and not like a robot. You should use Jasper Brand Voice on every content generation to make sure that it is consistent and it sounds just like you. I am going to show you how you can add saved knowledge entries as well as voices to chats and documents in Jasper AI. Before we get started, we will need to log in to Jasper. If you don't already have a Jasper account, you can click our link down below for a free trial. When you click our special link down below, you will be led to this page. And once you're on this page, you can click on free trial. And right here, you will continue with your Google email or with another email. Once you enter in that email, you can click on continue with email. And it's going to ask you to check your email and confirm your email address by entering the 6-digit number. And once you do that, you can click on continue. After clicking on continue, it will lead you to a page where you can see the plans and pricing. Jasper has 3 plans and 2 options for billing. The first one is monthly billing and the second one is yearly billing. The good thing about monthly billing is that there's no contract and you can cancel anytime. But if you do go with yearly billing, you will save 20% off of the price. The 3 plans are Creator, Pro, and Business. If you're just beginning, you should be good with Creator, which goes for $39 per month or per seat, and it has 1 user seat, 1 brand voice. You will have access to SEO mode, and you will also have access to its browser extension. This means you will have access to the AI everywhere you work by using the extensions for your Chrome or Edge browser. The most popular plan is the Pro plan. It goes for $59 per month or per seat, and it includes up to 6 seats, 3 brand voices, 10 knowledge assets, 3 instant campaigns, and collaboration and user management, as well as access to Jasper Art. The third plan is the business plan, which you probably will not need for the work that you are doing, but if you do want to go with this, you can go ahead and contact sales. This has a lot of more features that would be great if you have a big business. For this tutorial, I am going to go with the Pro plan. And a good thing about the Pro and Creator plan is that you can start with a free 7-day trial. So once you click on the plan that you want to go with, you can go ahead and start your 7-day free trial. And once that's all done, you'll be led to the dashboard. Now, before we start any sort of generating, I'm going to go over some tips on how you can get high quality output from Jasper. Number 1 is that prompts matter and that you need to be specific when you're asking Jasper for something. Here are a list of several components that you can use to enhance your prompts for Jasper. You can use persona, for example, act as an expert in this subject. You can add an audience, teachers, students, entrepreneurs, or anyone else that is your audience. Tone, which we will add with our generated voice. Task, what is the action or what do you want from Jasper? And any context or constraints like the size of the paragraph or how many characters you want in each paragraph. You can also use Jasper's prompt enhancer that will help you make better prompts. Another thing is that before publishing your content or copywriting, you want to make sure that you review and edit. So make sure you reread the content that Jasper produced to make sure it is accurate. If you do not want to create your own prompt, Jasper has a library of over 500 plus prompts that you can use to make content writing and copywriting easy. Now, I'm going to show you how you can add voices and knowledge to the chat in Jasper. To do that, once you're on the dashboard page, on the side, you want to click on chat. Jasper's AI chat is designed for interactive conversational use, which allows users to ask questions, get suggestions, and generate content through a chat interface. It is more dynamic and immediate, and you can think of it as an AI assistant that will help you with copywriting. I personally like using the chat feature because of how quick it is. So before you start chatting with Jasper, you can go ahead and click at the bottom where it says brand voice. Now, once you click on that, you will see that you will have all the saved voices that you've created. If you forgot the description of the voice, you can go ahead and click on the eye icon, and this will give the description of your brand voice. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on my first website URL, and this tone is straightforward, supportive, and enthusiastic. It is designed to be approachable, user-friendly, and it aims to simplify complex processes and make them accessible to beginners. The brand voice is encouraging and positive, and it fosters a sense of empowerment and possibility. After reading that, I want to go ahead and go with that. So I'm going to click on my first website URL and click on apply to chat. Now I also want to add to the knowledge base. So I'm going to click on the brand voice again and click on add to knowledge base. And you can add from text, upload a file, or enter a URL. I'm going to go ahead and just make it quick. So I'm going to add a text and I'm going to add a paragraph from our website. And for tag, I'm going to just click on company information. And now I'm going to add to the knowledge base. Now I have the knowledge entries and the voice, and I'm going to go ahead and ask Jasper to write a social media ad that is targeting entrepreneurs with the services that My First Website offers and how we can help them build their businesses easy with the free trial at the end. So once I do that, I'm going to click on send. For my prompt, as you can see, I've added an audience, which is entrepreneurs, and I asked Jasper to specifically write a social media ad that targets entrepreneurs and that tells the audience how they can build their website easy and offers a free trial at the end. Now let's scroll down and we can see that Jasper has generated a social media ad for us. You can see it has the headline that targets the audience and a really good title that I think is very captivating. It's also cool because Jasper is more human-like and it also adds emojis for you, which I think is really cool. We can read this and see that it is not robotic and it sounds like a person generated this. So let's go ahead and read that. Are you ready to take your business online? Our website building services are tailored just for entrepreneurs like you. With a focus on simplicity and effectiveness, we're here to guide you through the process with clear, direct language and a positive attitude. Explore our intuitive website builder designed to simplify complex processes, craft an online presence that truly reflects your brand's identity, enjoy intricate design capabilities without the hassle, and at the end right here, we have start your journey today with a free trial. And the reason why we have this is because I specifically asked Jasper to offer a free trial at the end, and it closes off with a really good closure as well as cool emoji, and it also adds hashtags for you, which is really cool. So you have website building, entrepreneurship, and free trial. So these are the keywords that I had on my prompt here, and that's why Jasper included it. Now to test this out and play around with Jasper, I am going to change the brand voice. So I'm going to delete that and click on brand voice. Now I'm going to choose the brand voice that has a tone of being funny, which is MFW2. And the difference between this brand voice and the others is that I specifically edited my brand voice so that it is funny and I deleted all the other adjectives. So let's go ahead, click apply to chat. We have that now. Let's see what Jasper generates for us now that we have the tone being funny. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy this prompt again, click on send. And now you can see it has the same idea, but it is incorporating funny phrases. For example, technical nightmares. I think Jasper finds that funny, so it generated that for us. And as you can see, it's more playful, as in this line, say goodbye to website woes and hello to easy peasy site building with our services. And in this line, we're all about simplifying the complex because we know you've got big dreams to chase, not technical nightmares to navigate, which I think Jasper is trying to make a joke here. Now, another cool thing about knowledge entries is that you can use your knowledge entries so that Jasper can always summarize what your business or what your company is. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the voice. Now I'm going to add a new knowledge and I'm going to enter in the URL for my first website, and I'm going to add that to the knowledge base. And once I've added to the knowledge base, I'm going to ask Jasper to summarize this content, and now I am going to click on send. Now what Jasper is going to do is get the URL, analyze it, and summarize what my first website is all about. As you can see, it summarizes the entire page of the website. This would be a useful feature to use if you are pitching your business to anyone. Now I'm going to show you how you can apply voice into the documents in Jasper. Documents in Jasper AI is used for long form content. And to create a document, you can go ahead and click on create content and click on new document. Now at the very top where it says select a voice, you can click on any voice that you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose my first website 3, and the brand's tone is supportive and reassuring. I'm going to click on save. Now you can tell Jasper what to write here. I'm going to ask Jasper to write a blog, and I'm just going to scroll down right here where it says categories, and I'm going to click on blog, and I'm going to click on blog post, and let's just go ahead and click something from here. What is your target audience? I'm going to click on entrepreneurs, click on next, and for the outline of my post, I'm just going to go ahead and generate it using Jasper instead of coming up with my own. You can come up with your own outline, or you can also just generate it using Jasper, which in this case I am going to do. So I can just quickly generate a blog for you. Now you can add more information such as SEO keywords, expert quotes, any custom information, or any more knowledge. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate now. And as you can see, Jasper is generating a long form blog for us. And the title is navigating the entrepreneurial path and the new remote work frontier. Another cool thing about Jasper is you can highlight any of the generated content and you can click on Ask Jasper. You can either improve the writing, change the tone, change the length, repurpose the content, or translate it into a different language. I am going to change the tone, but instead of clicking on one of the voices I have already, I'm just going to tell Jasper to make this paragraph funny. I'm going to enter. And as you can see, Jasper throws in a few jokes in the paragraph to make it more funny because I asked it to. And if you like that, you can go ahead and click on replace. And there you have it. You now know how to use Jasper Voice to generate content. Make sure that when you're using Jasper's brand voice that you apply it to every content that you generate to make sure that it's consistent. You can also set it as a default voice so that anytime Jasper generates any type of content for you, it will have the same voice. And in order to do that, you can go ahead and go into settings. And once you're in settings, go into AI settings and you can go ahead and set a default workspace voice. And if you can, always utilize knowledge in chat, as it's going to make sure that any content generated by Jasper is on topic. As you can see, Jasper is a very powerful AI tool that you can use to help with copywriting and content generation. And if you use our special link down below, we will get a small referral fee with no extra cost to you. It will help support our channel and allow us to make more free videos like this so that we can in turn help you. If you do use our link down below, thank you so much in advance and we really appreciate it. And if you want to make your own website but do not know where to start, we have a link down below that you can use to help start your website. It is completely free and it will make website building easy for you. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.